In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to verify Payoneer account. By the end, you'll know exactly where to click, what documents you need, and how to avoid the most common delays so you can unlock all Payoneer features smoothly. Start by opening your preferred web browser on your computer, tablet, or smartphone. In the address bar, type the official Payoneer website or search for Payoneer and choose the legitimate result. Make sure you're on the secure site with the padlock icon in the address bar to protect your information. Next, log into your account using your credentials. If you haven't created an account yet, complete the sign up process first because verification options only appear once you're signed in. For added security, consider enabling two-step verification in your security settings. Once you're inside your account, look to the top right corner of the screen. Click your profile icon or your name, and from the drop-down menu, select Settings. In the Settings area, open the Verification Center. This is your hub for all verification tasks and their current status. Here, review the list of requirements you see. Typically, you'll find identity verification, address verification, and if you're a company or freelancer with a registered entity, business verification. Open each item to see exactly what's needed and note any deadlines or status messages. Before uploading anything, prepare your documents. For identity, use a valid government-issued photo ID. For address, a recent utility bill or bank statement usually works. Make sure every document is clear, readable, and complete. Capture the full page with all corners visible, avoid glare or shadows, and make sure names, dates, and addresses match your Payoneer profile. If your ID has two sides, provide both. Use common file formats like JPG, PNG, or PDF. Keep the resolution high and avoid editing or adding marks. Now return to the verification center and upload the requested files under the correct categories. Double check that every detail is visible before you proceed. If something looks faint or cropped, retake the photo or rescan to avoid rejection. When everything is attached, click Submit. You'll see a confirmation that your documents were sent for review. Payoneer will process your submission, which can take some time, often a few business days, though it may vary. Keep an eye on your dashboard and the email linked to your account for updates. If additional information is requested, follow the instructions provided and upload only what's asked. Once your documents are approved, your account will be fully verified and you'll have access to all available Payoneer features and services. And that's it. If you found this tutorial helpful, don't forget to like this video and subscribe to my channel for more Payoneer tips and tutorials.